This
for loop.
conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday I given multiple questions, right? So how many started working on those, guys? How many worked on? Anybody started working on those?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you able to find the answers? Okay. So please, guys, everybody work on questions. Okay. To understand the logic. So as I told, whatever like text processing tool, maximum we use those only, guys. Okay. Yeah. Please make sure that. Okay. Next, so for loop. Can you write down the syntax for loop?
Yeah.
So for loop syntax for I in and the sequence. So as I told, this sequence we can give in multiple ways. Do and your statement, repeated statements, then done. So this is the for loop syntax, guys. Okay, now. So how you want to take the sequence? So directly you can give like this. For I in maybe directly like this. 1, 2, maybe if you have example 3 times you want to run the script. Okay, like this directly you can give the order. Maybe these are the variables, guys, actually here. Okay, now these are the values. So for loop will read whatever the values you given, how many you given. Okay, now so it will read one by one. Example, first it will read this one, I equals to 1. Okay, now enter into the shell script. Wherever I use $I, it will take 1 now. So by replacing I with 1, it will run the statements. Okay. So example, let's take usernames. So my requirement is I want to get the user ID for all these users. So maybe 5 users I provided. So these are usernames, example. I given directly. Okay. So then I equals to first username. It will go inside a shell script for loop, and it will wherever I is there, it will replace with the first username. It will get the user ID for first user. So then again, once the loop is completed, it will again I equals to now the second value. Okay, now so second user. Now it will enter into the script and it will complete wherever $I is there, it will go with second user. Okay, now this is the first syntax, guys. And the second way is for I in from file. Okay, you can keep these files, this list, whatever the sequence, whatever the usernames, right, in a file, and you can call the file by using cat command. Okay, so now first file will be opened and the list will be like this again. Allow just 1, 2, 3. So maybe whatever you kept here, right? Again, for loop will read one by one. If it is a file, means like this. Next, for I in from read variables. Okay, now so runtime variable is there a read. So example $A, $B. So here try to understand double quotes, single quotes, and back quotes, guys. Why do we need back quote? When do we need back quote, guys? when do we need a back quote? Guys, back quote ఎప్పుడు కావాలి మనకు? సింగిల్ కోట్ కి బ్యాక్ కోట్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్? So back quotes are for commands, guys. See, this is not a command, so I given a normal single quote or double quotes. Okay, no, it's not okay, but it is command. See, I given back quote again, this is command, so I given back quote. And what is the difference between double quotes and single quotes mean? Say example here, with echo command I given double quotes here, double. Okay na, double quotes ఉన్నప్పుడే dollars work అవుతాయి. It will replace dollar a mean the runtime variable which you given. What is runtime variable, guys? What is runtime variable? Hmm? What is runtime variable? I don't know whether you know or not. Runtime variable means read command we give, right? It will ask. That is what runtime variable. Okay, so here double, if you go don't give double quotes, it won't replace the values with double this dollar. Single quote you cannot use you here. If you use single quote here for this, okay now what will happen? There is no replacement. No dollar a and రాస్తే dollar a అనే ఉంటుంది. dollar ఏ వాల్యూ రాదు అక్కడ, సింగిల్ కోట్స్ వెళ్తే. సో వేరియబుల్స్ కాల్ చేసేటప్పుడు whenever you are calling variables, ఓకేనా, so you have to give double quotes, remember this. Okay, this is for runtime variable. Positional parameter also similar way. For I in echo, maybe if you know particular number, like how many positional parameters you are giving, you can go with this, like this $1, $2, $3. Okay, now if it is a fixed formula, okay, particular positional parameter you know means this one is okay, not single quotes, double quotes. Remember always, when you are calling any dollars means any variables means you should not use single quotes. Okay na? So this is for if you know fixed number of position. Sometimes you don't know some parameter. Example, I don't know how many users I will pass. It doesn't matter. If I give 5 times, 5 users, it should print. 3 times, 3 users. There is no fixed. So in that case, for I in echo dollar star. So guys, dollar star means what are the positional parameters? Example, you passed 5 positional parameters, 5 usernames. So all those usernames will be replaced here. Dollar star means. If $1 means first positional parameter, $2 means second, $2 3 means third, right? But here dollar star is nothing but all. Okay, now all will be replaced. If I give 5 variables, so 5 variables will be like available here. Okay, now if you don't know a particular number, if it is not a fixed number, so this many ways we can call our we can provide our sequence to for loop, guys. Okay, na? I think yesterday I given one example for that folder. Okay, no issues. I'll go with a new example. Example, username I want to go. Yeah, first sudo. Oh, already unda. Okay, fine. Now I want to go with for loop. This works only for one user, guys. Okay, now maybe let's take it with a positional parameter. Okay, generally this works only for one user. Right? If I need multiple users, I have to run the script multiple times. So instead of that, I can add for loop. For I. This can be any name guys. మీరు ఇష్టం వచ్చింది ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. మేబీ యూజర్ కదా ఇక్కడ, సో యూజర్ అని ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా, నీ పేరు అది, నీ వేరియబుల్ పేరు ఏదైనా యూ కెన్ యువర్ విష్, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ వేరియబుల్ నేమ్. సో హియర్ I don't know how many positional parameter, how many usernames. So it is user wish. It's not a fixed formula, right? So user may give like 3, 4, 5, 1 sometime. It depends. His requirement. So in that case, what should I go with, guys? Dollar star. Okay, now what will happen here? Dollar star means it will be replaced with all positional parameter. త్రీ పాస్ చేస్తే 3 వచ్చేస్తాయి ఇక్కడ. సో ఎక్కువ అంటే ప్రింట్ చేస్తుంది యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. Here instead of $1, let's go with, because new variable comes here. మన డైరెక్ట్ గా యూజర్ నేమ్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు ఇక్కడ $1, $2 అని. సో వీఆర్ గివింగ్, సో వీఆర్ storing these positional parameters into I now, right? So I have to give I now here, I. So guys, if you can understand the logic, writing shell scripting is not a big deal. Only logic అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి, ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఏది వస్తుంది, how. Okay, so we should get the one by one, try to understand step by step the requirement, then done. Okay, now how many positional parameter you pass? That, oh sorry, see, I passed 2 positional parameters or 2 users. Here actually I did not provided any positional parameter by mistakenly. Now my requirement is it should take positional parameter compulsory. What should I do, guys? Without positional parameter it should not continue. What should I do? How can I make sure that? Huh? Any idea? Already I told you that. Just a minute. Already I told you that. If condition I have to write. If at least $1 is there or not. What is the string, guys? Did you remember? What is the option to check length of the character? Length of the parameter?
Z.
Yes. It will check length 0 or not. Then please provide at least one parameter. exit. I don't want to continue. Exit means the script will be complete, exited here itself. It won't proceed further. It won't go here, guys. If it is true, the condition is true, it will go to this statement. Okay, it will try, it will request you to provide the parameter, then exit. Now see, if I don't provide any positional parameter, it will exit. See, to know more details about this, okay now. So how to run in debug mode, guys?
Get -X.
Yeah. So inside a file, I can use this command inside a file. Okay. Or else I can do one more thing. So I disable that. Actually, guys, in a shell script or Linux, in any file, in program file, if you example this line, I don't want to delete. Just I want to keep it as a maybe reference. Okay, or kind of backup purpose. Just I don't because I need this later, maybe if required. So in that case, and instead of deleting, just comment it like this. So if you add a hash mark, that is nothing but comment. Means ignored. It won't be executed. That line won't be executed. Or else in command line also you can expect like this. So it will show line by line what is happening every line. See, first it is going to if condition -z. There is no positional parameter you given. So obviously length will be 0. Means that is true. It will go to true statement and execute true statement. Okay, now example, let me add some parameter EC2-user. See, so length is not 0. So not, it's not true. So there is no else statement. So directly it will come out. Then it will go to for loop. See, I given $, right? $* means how many positional parameter you, if you give 2, it will 2 replace with 2. I mean 2 positional. As of now only 1, right? See, $. Okay, now for EC2-user, it verified the user ID. Now let me give 2 users. See, now $* is replaced with 2 users because I given 2. Okay, so this is how for loop work. Now, guys, my condition is example one user not exist. Okay, now here first it is checking positional parameter given or not. Okay, that's fine. $* means it will check that it will replace with the positional parameter. Now I equals to first user. Will go first user. If at all that user does not exist, I want to create it and print the ID. What should I do for that, guys? Example. So actually see, Amar user is not there, but it's still trying to. Now my question is, okay, first let's go with like my requirement is it should print Amar user is not there. What should I do? Guys, if a user does not exist, I want to print like user does not exist. But it should not go like this. ఇలా రావద్దు. Okay, it should say completely like Amar user does not exist, something like that. So guys, tell me what should I do now? Where I
Using
have to add that logic.
using echo command.
But before that, how do you know that? Whether maybe as a human you know that, but how you will give it to script? A command ఎలా చెప్తావు దానికి? Echo command అని అంటే If you give echo command, it will give it for everybody, not only for you. So first condition you have to write, right? That user exists or not. So before running this script, okay, now before running this actual command, I have to check if condition, guys. Okay, now how? First, let me check the like user ID space dollar I. One more thing I want to say actually, guys. Before that, guys, in Linux there is ఒక command success కాదా. One command is success or not. Okay, now as a human being you may understand, but how you will inform that to your shell script? Example, id Amar. Now you know that, okay, now that user does not exist, but how you will inform to script కి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది ఈ యూజర్ లేదు అని? ఇప్పుడు example id EC2 hyphen user. Okay, now how your script understand that this user exists or not? Guys, there is one actually command for that. Okay, now by running that command, that dollar question mark symbol, okay, now we can find out previous command status. It doesn't matter any command, not only this command, guys, not only this command I'm talking about. So by running dollar star mark, it will show you previous command exit status. 0 means success, guys. See, this command is success. That means whatever you are expecting, it is there. Example, let's see. ID Amar. Okay, na? Actually, this you are trying to fetch the details, Amar, but it's not there. So exit status should be non-zero. See, guys, it can be any value, non-zero value, minus value or plus value. There is no particular value for that. Exit status non-zero means the previous command is unsuccessful. Example, okay, grep command, grep Amar. See, here there is no Amar. I'm trying to just grep Amar in one of the file. So there is no Amar. How my script knows it? You know that now as a human being, but how my script knows it? If I run echo dollar star, the dollar question mark, yeah. So based on this, so if it is non-zero, that means the previous command status is unsuccessful. Okay, an example, let me show one more example. Grep, maybe what is there in this os.sh. Okay, so example enough, grep enough os.sh. See, now it is successful, right? So the answer should be successful now, 0. See, maybe example something, your result is maybe whatever you are searching. See, there is no answer. The like you tried to grep it. See, so by running this command or dollar question mark, you can find out the previous command exit status. Okay, now tell me, guys, user.sh. Oh, sorry. Okay, here what I will do, if dollar question mark equals to 0. What does that mean? Guys, okay, the meaning ఏంటి? 0 means. Okay, so that user exists. This means that user exists. If 0 means dollar question mark mean the previous command is this one only, right? Okay, dollar question mark means it will show you the previous command exit status. 0 means the user exists. Okay, na I'm running my normal command. Else echo. If non-zero means I don't want to continue. I don't want to what I can say, run these commands. So echo this user does not exist. And F5. See guys, so again in for loop inside we got a if condition. This is how we expand our script, guys. Requirement first one by one, step by step. Don't write all in one shot. You cannot understand. ఒక్కొక్కటి యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళాలి లాజిక్ ఫస్ట్ లాజిక్. Okay, if that works, go with second logic. If that works, go with third logic. Like this. See? Okay, if I remove that X command, it won't show all this stuff. Only for debug mode only we run all this stuff, guys. Set a debug mode. I mean, to get more understanding. Example, your script not working, or you want to see how my script is working. In that case only we use that debug mode. Otherwise, you can run normally because it will show unnecessary output. Oh, okay. Actually, here that id command output you are getting, but it's not required, right? See, the id command output you are getting, and this output. What should I do, guys? I don't want that output to the screen because that is out of matter for me. This command output I'm getting, guys. I'm getting this command output to the screen, but I don't want that. ఎందుకంటే నా స్క్రిప్ట్ కి చెప్పేస్తున్నా నేను. I'm giving it to my script. I don't need that output actually. What should I do, guys? How can I ignore that output to the screen?
Comment.
If I comment it, then how my script will work? A command కావాలి నాకు. I need this command, but I don't need that output to the screen. A command execute అవ్వాలి, but ఆ output నాకు రావద్దు screen లో. I don't want that output to the screen.
Redirect it to dev/null.
Exactly. Redirects option, guys. That output completely I want to ignore. I don't want to see that output to the screen. Okay, now because I'm giving that all information already to my if condition, so I don't want that error also, even output also, std error also, std out also I want to ignore. I want to just nullify. Yeah, see, now whatever you need you can. Now one more question, maybe by mistakenly or intentionally user given 2 times, so this duplicates also I don't want to take. What should I do, guys? Here Amar he given 2 times, root given 2 times, only one time I want to take inside my shell script. How can I do that? Here itself before going here I want to take, or else maybe after this also. Tell me, I want to make only one time. Here root and Amar you given 2 times. I don't want to do that. What should I do? ఎక్కడ రాయొచ్చు లాజిక్? It should take only one time. Maybe here 3-4 users only. Maybe in real time you may have 100, 200, 1000 users. At that time waste only, right? I don't want to do that. Repeated. What should I do? ఎక్కడ లాజిక్ రాయాలి దానికి? Tell me guys, try to understand the logics. Try to, whatever you know, whatever you think, please tell me. Where should I add that logic? It should not take repeated words, positional parameters. So what should I do for that? ఆలోచించండి లాజిక్.
using unique command.
ఓకే, సో ఎక్కడ రాస్తాం అది? దట్ ఈస్ ఫైన్, బట్ వేర్ యూ విల్ రైట్ దట్ యూనిక్ కమాండ్? ఎలా రాస్తావు నాకు లాజిక్ చెప్పు. ఎక్కడ తీసుకుంటావు యూనిక్ కమాండ్? ఎక్కడ రాయొచ్చు?
Echo almost type unique.
Yeah. So before, maybe what I can do here, instead of directly going, okay, so just a minute. Okay, so ఎక్కడ రాయొచ్చు అంటే, so we will do one thing. Actually I lost your control. Yeah, now I got it. Here itself we'll do one thing. Echo dollar pipe symbol. Okay, first what will happen? So dollar star will be replaced with all parameter. So echo means it will print as it is. Pipe symbol, sort, unique. Because unique won't take, unique will take only adjacent duplicates, guys. ఓకేనా, పక్క పక్కన ఉంటేనే అది డూప్లికేట్ లా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తుంది. దూరం దూరం సో randomly or zigzag values, it won't take it as a duplicates. Okay na? So first I sorted that output. First this will print the usernames as it is. Okay, echo command. So that output I am sending it to sort command. So for it will make a in order. Then okay, then after unique. So duplicates will be removed. Now let's.
So directly we can use short hyphen u, right? Instead of
I didn't get you. Come again.
short hyphen u instead of unique, we can use directly that, right?
Maybe option ఉండొచ్చు. Maybe we'll try that also. I never tried it. Okay, option ఉంటే రాయొచ్చు. Is it working? No. Okay, so it's not working. Let me try with the X command. So you will come to know that what is happening there. సో నాకు ఇక్కడ అర్థం కాలేదు ఏం జరిగిందా అనేది. ఓకేనా? సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్, కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్, no, only from user. No, you should not copy like that also. User నుంచి no అలా కాపీ చేయదు ఎప్పుడు కూడా. From here to, from user to, okay, give me control, I'll take care. Just a minute. Okay, execute now. So let's see. Command execute అయిందా అసలు? ఆ కమాండ్ తీసుకోవట్లేదు అది. Okay, we'll go with so sort -u. It's not sorting. Why? What is the reason? It is taking all the output. Any mistake, guys, here? Any syntax error? Echo $* correct only. This is working up to here. It is printing also, but sort command is not taking. Why? What is the reason? Why sort command not working? Any mistake, guys, here in this? Why it is not taking sort -u? Sort output to try చేద్దాం. sh minus x. What is happening here? Sort -u. Or else we'll do one thing. User data sh. Instead of giving directly here, just input equals to echo dollar input. Okay, so here what I am trying, guys, actually if I give directly this command here, it's not working. So I'm taking a separate one more variable. So I'm running this command. Let's see now how it works. This time also it's taking strange. Uh-huh. Any reason, guys? Okay, actually these are not lines, right? These are columns. That is the reason. యూనిక్ అనేది లైన్స్ లో కదా చెక్ చేసేది, రైట్ గైస్? యూనిక్ విల్ చెక్ ఇన్ లైన్స్, రైట్, నాట్ కాలమ్స్. ఒకటే లైన్ కదా ఇప్పుడు ఇది. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? దిస్ ఇస్ సింగిల్ లైన్ రైట్ నౌ. సో యూనిక్ విల్ చెక్
That's
ఇన్
correct.
లైన్స్. లైన్స్ లో డూప్లికేట్స్ ఉంటే, if any duplicates in lines, then it will remove. But here this is a single line, right? So how to remove duplicates in a line? How to remove duplicates in a line? Duplicate words in line. One పెద్ద line రాయాలి ఇంకా. Let's try this. Can you copy this? Except to file. So because guys here within the line, right? So generally unique command will check, remove duplicate lines, but within a line duplicates are there, duplicate words are there. Open in your putty session. So guys, this is what we do, R&D. Okay, even I don't know the command. Okay, here. So one by one logic we are building, right? So what we do here, even I don't know whether this command works or not. Paste it. We'll see this. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Here it seems while loop he written for AWK. Even I don't know this command. చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంది. ఇంకా చిన్నగా అర్థం చేసుకోవడమే. So what he is doing, maybe you may get explanation in this document itself. What he is doing. One more way also he provided. How to remove duplicates from a single line. If it is duplicate lines means directly we can go with unique. But if it is duplicate words within a line means this one. Okay, na? Guys, as I told, everything we no need to remember, but at least logic, if you know what you want to do, you'll get answer in Google. ఆ లాజిక్ కూడా మీకు తెలియదంటే ఇంకేం చేయలేం మనం. ఓకేనా? See, this is how we develop our scripts. So ilage guys, we take inputs from application team. So we'll write the shell script. What exactly you need? Maybe if you run multiple places, multiple like the same script in with different use cases, then you will come to know the things what exactly you want to do. You have to add. This is what automation, guys. There is no manual steps now. Okay, one time. Okay, you will take inputs from application team. So you will ask those commands what exactly they want to do. Example, yesterday I told you, right? Clean up. Okay, now so where is that yesterday script? Yesterday, like we thought. Oh, sorry, this is yours, right? Okay. So where is that? I think yesterday Drupad, right? Who is available now? Sorry? Vishnu. Do you have that script?
Yes, it's already with me.
Okay, then maybe we work on that tomorrow class. Okay, na?
Okay. Yeah.
So one more time, so that you will come to know, guys. See here, any extra things, guys? All commands belongs to those text processing tools only. మన టెక్స్ట్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ టూల్స్ నుంచే వచ్చాయి ఇవన్నీ. ఏ ఒక్కటి కూడా నేను ఎక్స్ట్రా వాడలేదు. మేబీ అడిషనలీ like some as I told AWK command, so many options we have, right? So even I don't know this. నాకు కూడా తెలియదు ఇది ఈ లాజిక్. ఓకే నా ఓన్లీ ద సింపుల్ థింగ్ I know is this command does it will remove the duplicates from a single line. Just I copied from the Google. Okay, see, all are from my general commands, text processing tools and variables, if condition, for loop. That's it. Okay, yeah. So I think it's enough for today. So tomorrow class again one more time that last example will finish our shell class. Okay, shell script. So Vishnu, make sure that you share your screen tomorrow with that script. Okay, now we'll develop that script tomorrow. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay then, guys. We'll meet tomorrow then.